Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of the project in Khon Kaen. Yeah, on the last one I showed you that we've just done the trims. Now the guys up here doing the rendering and the concrete polishing. So this is the concrete polish. Still the air waxing and that to go on yet. So we'll say on finishing this. I like the disco music. I'll show you in the garage. Okay, this cement is pre-mixed. So it's a fine sand and cement for rendering, as the tie's called sharp. So still got these corners to do yet, but then there's a skim coat to go on this one. Finish this off. Inside skim coat, outside concrete finish, polish finish. So the guys are just adding trim on. There. Hi, and the client's father, Jit's dad. So just trying to get all the trimming as well at the same time. This is part of the design that they're putting in now. Yeah. I'll show you the bits you're doing there, rendering on the water tank house. And there you go, they're doing the polished concrete.อะไรนะ อ๋อไม่มีสี
แล้วทีนี้จะมีไอตัวเคลือบ
ใช่ไม่รวมนะนี่ทริมนี่ใช่โอเคมิกซ์สวยนะนี่
นั่นเพิ่นลูกเอาสีซื่อลูกได้แต่มันจะบ่มีสีขึ้น
นี่สีที่นี่
ครับถ้าปั้นมันจะสีขึ้น
โอเคSo, still a roof to put on yet. Inside they've got a render in the back wall, that's got to be cut out. Before that was the support for the controller for the pump for the air, for the well. Yeah, pump. Okay, the accommodation for the staff. Oh, สบายดีบ่สบายดีแม่อยู่ไหนไม่มาอ๋อวันนี้ไม่มาเหรอแม่ไม่มาโอเค Jet's mom didn't come today. So they're finishing off the trim, only a little bit more to go. Oh, knee chap yet. So So there you go. And all the block work's finished. As you remember the last time, I had that bit to do and that bit there to do. It's all done. All the trims around the doors done. So it's just a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 windows, 6 windows to do. And 1 doorway. That's right, 2 doorways. And we've got the awning to go on top of here. The same on the back bedroom. These high ceilings, I think it's about 3 meters the ceiling height.
Đang xéo như thế.
Cho nó quay ra cái giang kìa. Thấy giang.
Áo mày cái đấy nhá.
Again, this will be finished in a few days, a couple more days. That building in, and we'll start putting the ceilings in. And I think straight after New Year they'll be working on this building. There's the boss. Nille, what I want to start doing in these videos is teach you the Thai word for the tools that they use or equipment they're using. Example, you know, this is a tape measure. In Thai they call it a talamet. A hammer. Corn. Like corn on the cob. So what I'll be doing, I'll be going through on the next video just a list of tools that we use. In the keel here, they call sci-fi, as in sci-fi network, sci-fi. For the wall, they call panang. But if it's an outside boundary wall, then it's called a Khon Kaen. And the stairs, they call Bondi. Like a paintbrush, that's called bang, B-E-N-G, bang. A roller, it's called a looking. And paint, they call C. There's loads more anyway. I'll list it out and then I'll do for like materials. Stone, tin, and you've got sand, which is sai, and for the red bricks they go block dang. So anyway, that's what I'll do on the next video. Do a bit more on materials and equipment. No polished concrete. Ini au ni phong nam. Tidak. Ni saat ni phong nam.
นี่มันต้องแค่กี่รอดนี่พอเสร็จแล้ว
โอเคนี่สะอาดโอเคนี่สะอาด
เสร็จแล้วซะก่อนปั่นแล้วซะก่อน ผมจะเก็บให้นี่
No, you got clean off now and then get the edging done.
นี่คือขัดเสร็จแล้วจังสีล่าง
You kikiet.
โอ้ยบอก
Kikiet means lazy. I'm saying do it now as you're working. As you're working, clean up as you're working.
อีกไม่ได้ลุ้มอีก
Yeah.
ไอ้ตัวนั้นมา
Okay, good.
เสาะหลอก
Okay, so all the formwork's finished now, and now they're going to be doing the concrete pour. So I'm going to mix the stone, the sand, and the cement together. So, hin, sai, bun. Whey! Bit. Okay, Cap. It's 5 o'clock, and the team, some of the teams are away, but these guys always work late. They need the vibrating poker. The machine for vibrate.
เอาน้ำมาไว้เตรียมไว้ให้เพิ่นน่ะ
Can you go and get your toy? Get the big toy.
แบบไปแตกเลยแบบตั้ง
I said, these guys don't speak English, but they understood what I meant. Just joking with Lek. Right.
เดี๋ยวตายออก
Got the vibrating poker down there. So just making sure the safety is okay.
ถุงใหญ่ได้10กล่องถุงยังใหญ่นั่นน่ะ
It's not going to see stairs for scaffolding here.
ตั้งก่อนเดี๋ยวเว้ยสวยเงี้ยไปข้างปุ่น
Glory's crapping himself.
ตั้งเอฟมันอยู่นี่เอาอยู่นี่
โอ้โหแล้วเด้ออ๋อ
ตายอุ้ยเดี๋ยว
Always make sure they do the pause before the last end of day. Right. Just have a quick scout about. Now all the stuff's gone inside. As you can see, pretty much clean all the mess up. Just a little bit there. Ready to put down all the trims tomorrow. Finish these rooms off tomorrow. Cool. Nice square. I made up. A bit drawn. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.